Alright guys, due to popular requests, I'm doing a wheel swap video for the new Toyota Hilux. So as compared to the normal Hot Wheels, this Toyota Hilux is a tad smaller. So those 14mm off-road or 4x4 wheels from Hot Wheels will not fit the Hilux because of the very small fenders at the side. Alright, it will not really fit. I have tried it. Wheels like this from the Ford Raptor, which is a 14mm, definitely will not fit. But don't fret, we have two options that we can use so that you can change your Hilux into rubber wheels. Okay, so I already unrivet this Tomica so that it's easier for us to do that wheel swap. Okay, so let's go with the first option. Okay, so what I have here is the JDM wheels for the Hot Wheels. Basically, JDM, so I call it, is a size 10 or small size wheels with long axle. And this one fits perfectly with this Toyota Hilux. Even the axle length fits perfectly. Right? Look at the front, not much extension. Although it's a bit wider as compared to the stock wheels of Tomica, but it's not as wide. Alright, so this is just one of the options. 10mm long axle from Hot Wheels. This one is the TE37, wherein the wheels is a bit thinner. Right, so if you're not a fan of thin wheels on your Hilux, then I'll try the next wheels. Alright, next one is using the Hot Wheels Watanabe wheels. Again, size 10mm, long axle, fits good. At least here, you have a bit thicker rubber tires if you prefer that, right? This one is a good option as well. And alright guys, so I have shown you the first option, which is using the small size or 10mm wheels for Hot Wheels. The next option is using the Hot Wheels medium size or 12mm wheels. So this one will give you more of a lifted version of your Hilux. See here, this one will roll smoothly. Will roll smoothly forward, but backward it's not as smooth because the rubber wheels is hitting this the fenders, but eventually it will still roll forward as long as it's forward, right? It's not smooth rolling, but it will give you a different view or a different feel for your Hilux. It's a bit bigger, a bit lifted, and also the front view, the wheels is wider, so it will give you, okay, let me zoom. Alright, here. So the wheels is a bit wider for the medium size, so it will extend a bit on the side, but this one will give you a more wide looking Hilux, which for me, if you really want that macho looking Hilux, then definitely this look will be for you guys, right? So same thing, long axle, 12mm size wheels will also fit perfectly on your Hilux. So it just really depends on what type of rims you want or what color you want, but at least it's good to know that your stock or the rubber wheels from the Hot Wheels can be used on this Tomica Hilux. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and hope you like and subscribe this video, and be on the lookout for more future videos. Thank you.